Tie now to the housing crisis and what some are calling homeowners' revenge. Homeowners associations are actually turning the tables. They're foreclosing on the banks. Diana Olick is live in Washington with the details on that. Hi, Diana.
Hey, Sue, that's right. 1 in 5 Americans lives in a community with a homeowner or condo association. You know, the ones where you pay monthly dues for extra security or getting your lawn mowed. Well, by law, when a bank forecloses on a home in one of those associations and takes possession, it must start paying the dues. But in many cases, the banks are not. So the associations are turning the tables, filing foreclosure on the banks.
The association has both a statutory right under the Florida laws as well as a right under its restrictive covenants in the community. And it pursues those rights for just like any other owner. The main thing to focus on here is in this legal scenario, J.P. Morgan is no different than any other homeowner in the community who has failed to pay.
Attorney Ben Solomon is representing Homestead Florida's Keys Gate Community Association, which is claiming this home has 2 years of back dues owed by J.P. Morgan worth over $19,000. It is one of dozens of foreclosure suits against several of the nation's largest lenders.
We are seeing with much more regularity that when banks take title to units, they don't pay any carrying costs.
We contacted J.P. Morgan, and a spokesperson said that though they serviced the mortgage, they are currently researching the title. The property was actually sold to an investor last month, and this is where it gets tricky, of course. In fact, the Homeowners Association foreclosed on the original homeowner, but then transferred title to J.P. Morgan. And as you see in this document, yet another example of how title and ownership in this mortgage mess is leading to more trouble and leaving these associations in the lurch.
I pay my dues, other people pay their dues, and I just feel that J.P. Morgan should have paid theirs.
Now, J.P. Morgan admits they have other association foreclosure suits against them on properties they do own. Solomon says one Miami Beach association he represented actually succeeded in repossessing a condo, which then the association sold to cover the back dues. Now, one note to investors, if you buy a foreclosed property with an HOA lien against it, you could be responsible as well. Many more details on this on the blog, realtycheck.cnbc.com. Sue?
Diana, thank you very much.